These are craft stone or decorative finish made of manufactured stone veneer. So you can see like the different designs that they do. Like the brick. They also do this. Anong tawag ito, ma'am?
Floral stone, ma'am, decorative stone.
So, decorative floral stones. And this. Their pricing is by square meter. So, we'll be asking how much it costs for samples. Sige, ma'am. Ayan. Sige, ma'am. So, yung ganitong design, how much per square meter?
192, ma'am.
So, this is 1.9 and it's available in different color. So, 1,900 per square meter. Yung parang bricks, ito yan.
1.4 to 1.5 nagre-range.
So, depende sa color. So, this is 1,400 to 1,500. Depends on the color per square meter. So, this is another design, no? So, like this design, ma'am, like ridge. Magkano yan?
2.5, ma'am.
That's 2,500 per square meter. And the brick, yan. Pati yan.
Ito, ma'am, nagre-range siya sa 3,000 to
2,500 to 3,000 per square meter, that design. So, the price range differs with the colors. Tapos yung sa baba, ma'am.
Ano po, ma'am?
Yan, yung design na yan. 1,900 per square meter. You can see they got this rock face. So, yan, ma'am.
2,500.
2,500 per square meter. Same.
3,000.
This is the 3,000 per square meter. Then this bricks
1.5, ma'am.
1.5 per square meter. Then you got the hamstone.
Tapos na sa diba?
Hindi pa. Sa pricing. Okay.
2.5.
Yan. That's 2,500 like a hamstone. And you got the like a mat weaving. 2.5 din. 2,500. That's 3,000. Or different siya.
Ay, same lang po nung nasa harap.
3,000.
Pwede kayo nang dito naman sa mga project mo.
Mas mabuti sa ano, yan, sa product mo. Ayan. So the price range is from 1,500 to 2,500, 3,000 pesos per square meter. So this is the 3,000 per square meter ones. It's only available in Manila pa as of now. So it's only available in Manila, but they will soon be finding a dealer here in Cebu City. So that's
Pero may suggestion po kayo kahit ano po basta mix po ng color. Huwag lang po. Ito mga ganito. Kung parang magkano.
so this one is 2,500 per square meter. And the brickwork is 2,500 per square meter. And the stone effects, like this one, is 3,000 per square meter. It's only for your decorative walls. If you want a unique design, these are made of veneer. It's a stone veneer stone. Manufactured stone veneer. From craft stone. So they got this decorative pagaham.
isang ano. Isang ganito. Ano to? Estilo?
Isang rack ba ba?
Hindi siguro isang rack. Ay, tatlo lang.
Tatlo lang. Di ano tayo ma'am? White, gray.
Sige, mag-usap na tayo.